but I'm with Tasha. Hey. I like what I want. Girl, I wanted to be a cashier. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I need to stop saying that. I feel like it sounds so cliche, bro, and I feel like I also complain about it in every single video. Anyways, we're back with another vlog because I haven't vlogged in a while. I honestly haven't made a video in a minute. I have so much to update y'all on. I am about to graduate from college in 2 months. I moved. I no longer live in Miami. I no longer live on campus. If you've been like on my channel for a while, you've probably seen that most of my videos in the United States took place on campus, but I moved recently, so I no longer live in the dorms. You could see all of my bins here. I'm sorry about that. But in today's video, I'm meeting up with one of my friends and we're going shopping because I'm actually traveling this weekend. I'm going out of state. I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going yet. Y'all are gonna have to find out in the next vlog, but we're going shopping for our trip, and then later on today I'm gonna meet up with some other friends and I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna be taking y'all along with me today. I'm actually about to head out in a bit. It's 9:31, and before we do that, let me see something. So if you know me, you know that I am not the makeup type at all, but recently, like, I've just been wondering, like, what if as time goes on and I get older, like, I get better at makeup? Possibly. But today I just feel like experimenting. I have this makeup bag that I've had probably since freshman year of college. So the things in here are kind of old, but I just want to experiment with highlight. Actually, I don't know what I want to experiment with. I also have like this makeup palette. I'm not even going to show you what the front of it looks like because it don't look too good. But I want to experiment with eyeshadow and probably like do something to my cheeks. I don't know, but we're gonna see like if I could make myself look a little bit better. If not, that's tough. Okay. I was watching this video on YouTube with Lori Harvey, and she was like giving her makeup routine, and it was so simple, like natural looking, and I was like, bro, why can't I do this? Like, I have to be able to do this. It can't be that complicated. She had on like foundation and concealer and all that stuff. I wouldn't even waste my time. I don't even really own like a sensible foundation, so no. But I'm gonna try blush. I have like this Becca. This is pretty color. I'm gonna try putting it on. The last thing I have is this highlight thing from NYX that I've had so long. I'm just gonna like put it over the blush with my hand, which probably shouldn't do that. All right, I'm done. I don't even know if you could tell what I do. Let me go in a different lighting. Yeah, so I'm about to head downstairs. Let's get this party started. Oh, I forgot my mask. I just got to the mall. What happened? I'm with Tasha. Hey. And we're at TJ Maxx. She's looking for a suitcase. Yeah, and then I need to find a Starbucks because I didn't have breakfast this morning. I have to eat or else my body's not gonna be happy at all. Is it super Target? Yeah. All right, so we secured the bag, literally. Yeah, that was a good one. Thanks. And now I'm looking for Starbucks. I can feel my stomach like it's upset, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy. We're literally gonna go
to Forever. We're gonna drive to Forever 21, and it's right next to TJ Maxx. Y'all, I could not find Starbucks for the life of me, so I just went to some bakery that was in the mall. I honestly don't even know what it is. But right now I'm in Forever 21. I'm in the dressing room, and I'm about to try on a few pieces and see what they look like. Alright guys, so I got back a while ago, but I just got done packing and doing all of the last minute things I need to do before I drive down to Miami. Like I said, some of my friends are coming up here to see me, and I decided to just go down with them and spend a few days there before I head off this weekend for my trip. I'm about to take a quick shower so that I can get dressed. I think we're gonna go somewhere to get something to eat. I don't know if it's gonna be anything fancy. Low-key, it kind of looks like it's about to rain outside. Let me show y'all. Like, it looks like it's raining right there already. That's crazy. And I also needed to go snag some groceries from Walmart. Oh, y'all like my nails, by the way? I got them done when I was home. My friend Renee did it for me. Go check out her Instagram if you live in the Bahamas. But yeah, anyways, I still have to go bathe regardless, so I'm gonna do that right now. I just got out of the bathroom and look how bad this rain is. My friend said that she's about to get here, so this is what I ended up wearing. My black Vans with these jeans and this jacket. And now I'm about to head downstairs. To tell my vlog, I'm with Nichana.
Yay, we're having D time.
We're about to go have D time. Oh, why is this so dark?
No, police car making me nervous.
Oh, you scared of the police?
You recording me?
Yeah. Good Lord.
Oh my god.
Alright, so where are we, Nichana?
Panera Bread.
We're at Panera Bread. Like what I want. I think I'm gonna go with the Chipotle chicken and bacon. Should I get 5?
What?
Oh, I hope it's good.
So they just put.
Alright, we're about to start D time, but I just wanted to show y'all my food before we got started, because this actually looks really, really good. And then, that looks a bit too healthy for me. That also looks a bit too healthy for me. She's on a diet. But yeah, we're about to have D time, so I'm not gonna be recording that. Bye. Yeah, we just got done with D time, and now I'm going to Walmart because I need to buy some toiletries and stuff, and just like some small stuff, nothing crazy. So we're going to Walmart, and then I'm gonna go back to the apartment to drop those things off, to get my suitcases and stuff, and then we're going to Miami. Woo-hoo. We're checking out at Walmart. I forgot to vlog inside of here. But I just got a few things. Let me show y'all. Milk, cereal, bagels, toothpaste, chips. These Jamaican style patties.
Yo, the fact that he's in here already fucking.
Some face cream because I gotta get rid of my mustache. And just other small stuff. You know, when I was a little girl, I wanted to be a cashier. Like, I wanted that to be my career.
No, you changed your mind?
Dream job. Yeah.
What do I press now? The red button again?
Yeah, for it to stop. Is it Romy? On my vlog.
Alright.
I'm just
Quiet on set! Quiet on set!
Okay, so now I'm in Miami and I'm about to take off my mustache that you can't really see, but it's there.
That's how it looked when we were from Chicago.
I've never used this mirror before.
I was like, oh wow.
So you just have to go to sleep.
Huh? No, I'm just going to fall asleep right now.
You don't think so?
I don't know.
Why?
I'm like tired, but I'm not.
It's like
you
that.
know when like it's like.
Hi, Shauna's vlog. I'm Romy.
Oh, I was just roamed at the guy spot.
Kristen, you go to Cali too?
Be ready by 5. You're ready. You're ready by 5.
But I was low-key not gonna sleep.
Wait, 8 p.m.
They open at like 10 or 9
is
early.
less like
I think
this.
10,
So
like
I left crying.
at the last hour. You see that?
Now it's coming off.
Yeah.
I literally left crying.
So
It was
did they ever ask you like, oh, do you like it?
So I noticed that she was gonna like do something.
Yeah, which
out of
one?
it 'cause I am
The big one, that
for
funny
it,
one?
So it's like I should like it.
Right, and like